I think this button is probably to release here. This is the center seat belt of a Toyota Sienna. I've already stowed away these buckles, and I stowed away this. See, this one goes like this. These just push in like that. And the other part here, see that? This piece, I stowed it in here. So this is the other piece. I think I press this, I got a pen. I think if I press this, it'll come out. Yes, sure it does. So that comes out, and now I can stow this belt up in here. Yeah, see? I'm gonna turn around to the other side. All right, here we go. See, there it is. Now I can stick this part right there, and this part I can stick probably in here. Yeah. So these go in their respective places. That goes in there. That fits in there. Look at how neat it is now.